Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Tanya, and if you love cookie dough just as much as I do, but you don't like the guilt, the weight gain, or any of the side effects that come with it, then you definitely want to watch today's video on how to make an easy AF and healthy cookie dough. But first, if you've been looking for a virtual coach to help you build a healthy relationship around food, exercise, and overall self-care, you have found your girl. So here's what to expect. Simple and delicious recipes, 10-minute, no time, no impact home strength training workouts, and of course, free stuff. Check out the description box below, subscribe, hit that post notification. Let's get to the video. All right, here we go. We're gonna make a easy AF cookie dough. Here are the ingredients. Pause this, check it out, and check out the courses available for Create Your Own. So what you're gonna need is any type of a nut butter, almond butter, peanut butter, any type of extra you wanna use, whether it being cherries, cranberries, walnuts, almonds, ground flaxseed. We got pumpkin, chocolate chip, and oats. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 cup of oats. This is a gluten-free version. Sprouted. We are going to then take our almond butter and we're gonna mix it up because there is oil at the top. So you just kind of go all the way to the bottom and let the oil sink to the bottom. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup of almond butter and we're going to just kind of put it in our oats. I do like to use a spoon because it kind of gets everything out of it versus like a fork or something else. Sometimes some people it's gonna be common sense for, others like myself, like I like to know these things, so we're gonna use a spoon. Now we're gonna do about 1/2 cup of honey. Orange blossom honey is one of my favorite honeys. I do believe the ingredients 100% do matter when you are choosing your ingredients for each and every recipe. So we're gonna use a spoon, kind of get all that out there, get it into our cookie dough mix. So all you really know are those 3 main ingredients. And now we're going to use any condiment you want. I'm gonna use dark chocolate chips. This is 70% dark chocolate. These chocolate chips don't have any soy or dairy in them. And so to prevent from eating and grazing, I do like to sip on some green tea while I'm baking. Next, we're gonna add some cranberries. We're also gonna add some ground flaxseed. I kind of just sprinkle it on there. And then I usually use my hands because I am a mindful, intuitive eater. I use my hands as tools of measuring things unless it's a consistency thing. Next, we're gonna add our pumpkin seeds. And also, I think I'm gonna use some coconut flakes in our dish today, in our amazing cookie dough recipe. And also, because it's the holidays, we're gonna use some pumpkin pie spice, as well as one of my favorite combos with a ginger root. I love this combo. It's almost like a gingerbread, like awesome cookie. Next, we're gonna mix it all together. Look at this dough. It is absolutely delicious. And if you do wanna turn them into cookies, of course, put your holiday music on. I make them into little looking like cookie things, or you can make them into cookie balls. You can bake them. And I just kind of made like 4 different variations of cookie dough for all of my students that I like to give away for the holidays or bring them to holiday parties. Of course, playing some music. If you have extra, you want to freeze it. It is freezable. You can freeze it inside of your freezer. And I'm gonna also bake them. So if you're gonna bake them and you wanna make them into cookies versus just having the cookie dough, you just do 10 to 15 minutes. I did 15 minutes. I like mine a little bit burnt and extra crunchy, but you can do it anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And they come out absolutely amazing. Look at how easy these come off the parchment paper. Here's the dough, here's the cookies side by side so you can compare them. They're both delicious as a snack, as whatever. And look at how amazing that breaks. It is like absolutely perfect. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's easy AF holiday cookie dough. If you liked today's video, hit like, let me know you liked it, make similar content. Leave a comment helpful below, and this allows me to know that you found this video helpful. Share this video with your friends, make these cookies together. It's an awesome, fun little thing to do, especially during the holidays. And of course, subscribe, check out the description box below. I have free goodies just for you. And in the meantime, remember to give yourself permission to look, feel, and show up in your day as your best self. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.